Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover how to convert percents to fractions. So we got 4 examples here, 82%, 50%, 9% and 120%. So to turn them into fractions is actually very easy, but we still have to simplify the fractions and that might be a little bit hard. So let's jump straight into the first one. So when you think of percents mean per 100. Or you can think of it as out of 100. So you can just do this, 82 100ths. But now you have to simplify it. And the biggest common fraction of the 82 100ths is 2. So we do like this. And then you get 41 50th. So you divide them both by 2 and you get 41 50. So that was the first one. Let's go to the second one. And it's not always 2, because sometimes you go very more simple. So 50%. So we again do like this, 50 100ths. And the biggest common fraction of these two is not 2 this time, but it is actually 50. So we divide them both by 50, like this. And then we get 50 divided by 50 equals 1. 100 divided by 50 equals 2. So we get a half. So this one's very easy, and 50% is always a half, so you can just immediately know it is this fraction. So I'm gonna circle the answers. So now we're to 9. So this one is the simplest one, I think, in my opinion. You just write it down like this, and because there is no simpler way, because it is already simplified the fraction, we can't do anything to it, and this will be your answer. So on to the last one, 120. So this one is a bit different. So let's write it down over here, 120 100. But as you can see, the top one is bigger than the bottom one. This is what you call an improper fraction. So it's going to be greater than 1 whole. So we can take 1 whole 100 out of the 120 with 20 left over. So this is how you do it. We have 120 and it's bigger than 100. So you can take the 1. So 1. And then we're left with 20 hundredths. And the biggest common fraction of this is 20. So because 20 is the biggest common fraction, we can just divide them both by 20 like this, and you get 20. You can stripe this away. 20 divided by 20 equals 1, and 100 divided by 20 equals 5. So you're left with 1/5, like this. This was the video of how to convert percents to fractions. I hope you guys enjoyed it and understand it now. If you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comments. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.